Hey everybody, this is George at the Volo Auto Museum, and today I want to invite you on a virtual test drive inside a 1994 Ford Mustang Cobra SVT. Beautiful paint job, the convertible with the roll cage, just everything. It looks really, really awesome. If you haven't already, go click subscribe on the YouTube channel, turn on those notifications so you get updated anytime Jay or myself do a video. And the purpose of these virtual test drive videos is for you to get a chance to look at the car out in the sun, get a virtual feel of what it's like to be in the driver's seat. Just kind of take it down the road, hear how it runs. And also, if you want all the additional information, you get to go on over to volocars.com when we're done here. We have a couple hundred pictures, the undercarriage inside, we throw it in the studio. And we have all the detailed write-up on it, all the information we know, and the selling price. So yeah, this is awesome. Looking forward to driving it. Door opens with ease. The interior looks really great. See, this one I believe has under 4,600 miles on it. Oh, under 4,700. It has 4,653 right now. So I'm gonna start it up. Starts it up, sounds nice. Let's get this seatbelt on.
How much?
This one I'm not 100% sure. Have to go online. So this one you do have the 5-speed right there. You have your disc changer, radio, kicks on. Can't leave it run too long, don't want the copyright infringements. Has your cluster gauge up here, looks really nice. I'm not seeing any damages in here at all. Any rips, tears, scrapes. Everything looks really great. Dang, it looks brand new. I work in the shop here. This is the first time that any of us get a chance to take it out. So anything that we're seeing is wrong with it, we're finding out together for the first time. I like that, the mirrors. And anything we do run into, we'll go ahead and adjust. I see now it's saying low coolant, so we'll check the coolant when I get it back to the shop. It is the power top here. So, I mean, this is a 94, but it feels pretty much brand new. It has the tilt wheel. All right, so I'm gonna start out just getting used to it, and then I will open it up later in the video. So let's go for a ride. So I'm seeing here, this thing says it was number 506 of 1,000. Pretty nice. Drive straight. Shifts super easy. Gas pedal feels really nice. We get the chance to drive so many old cars from early 1900s all the way to we already sold a 2020 Corvette, everything in between. So it's good when you get the kind of jump in the newer cars. Really get a sense even in one day how far everything's come along. So far this handles and drives just like you'd expect a brand new car to. When you're just cruising like this, the engine isn't too loud. I'm sure when we get on it here in a minute, we'll be able to hear something. get on a little bit here. Oh, this baby is quick. Really easy to control still. Sounds awesome. Looks beautiful. With all 5 gears there. I would take this cross country. That's still a lot of power under here. Gosh, these are so fun to drive in the convertible top on a sunny day. You have to smile when you're driving this, no matter how bad your day's going. You jump in this, get on it, you're in a great mood. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Like I said, click subscribe on the YouTube channel, turn on those notifications and that little bell icon. And now's the time to go on over to volocars.com. Check out all the details, the selling price, and then give our sales department a call. As I said, I don't think this one is going to hang around. We're selling cars really quick. As always, I appreciate you.